In digital marketing, we say that content is the king. Without content, you cannot do your marketing, your digital marketing, your social media marketing. So content is very important to be generated for your marketing. There are 4 kinds of contents. First one is text, second one is the images, third one is the videos, and the fourth one is the audios. We will discuss in this video what is the text content and what are its types. First of all, we need to generate the text content, because we need our website for our product and services, and the website is based on your content. There is a standard to rank your pages on the Google that you need to have at least 1500 to 2000 words per page to rank that page, and the minimum range is the 600 words of the content per page. So you need to generate your website for the text, which is based on the text, images, and also you can create audio videos on your website. And in similar way, you can write blogs for your website, blogs for your social media accounts, and you can share it on the social media platform, third-party platforms. You can also write articles. You can also give analysis of your products. You can create ebooks. You can write descriptions, short description, long description of your products, and you can write articles about your products, and magazines, newsletters can be generated based on this text. So text is very important for your marketing. If you can generate your text yourself, it is very good. If you cannot generate your text yourself, you need to hire a professional which can work for you for your business. If you have a good professional, you need to know your business, and you need to know that what kind of content you are required, so that you can guide your professional to create the content in the same direction. If you're guiding him properly, your content will be generated, and the content is the king for your marketing. Your content can accelerate your marketing, and based on this content, you can rank your pages on the Google. Your website can be ranked on the Google. So you need to generate the content regularly, and the content generation, which we are discussing the first stage, that is the text kind of content, is very important. Nowadays, text content can play a very important role to increase your reach, to rank your pages. You can also generate the text-based content to convert it to the audios, videos, images. So this is the first and the basic content which is based on text. You need to create that content for your promotion of your services, for promotion of your websites, for promotion of your services and products. And you need to take in the mind the things that you need not to duplicate your content. You need to not repeat your keywords. You need not to repeat your ideas on the same page. Duplicating is not allowed. You need to create unique, distinct type of content which is based on the interest of your audience. Content which motivates your audience, which is acceptable to your audience. You need to create this kind of content. You need to influence your audience. So your audience can be influenced by your content creation, and your content creation should be based on the interest of your audience. Thank you so much for watching.